2002 Camry, 4-cylinder. Customer said when they came to a stop and when they accelerated, they lost power. Engine cranks, no start, and if you notice, check engine light is not turning on. And also, when I try and scan for codes, it does not let me. So unable to communicate. So I thought it was the computer at first, but looks like obviously check your fuses first, and our EFI fuse, which is this guy, is actually tripped. Take that guy out. So that guy's bad. Just go ahead and replace it with a good one. And now, when you turn your key, your check engine light should be on, all your regular lights. So there's the check engine light on the right. Car starts right up. So in my case, I wanted to figure out why that EFI fuse got tripped. And since the engine was replaced recently, this harness was actually rubbing against the belt, and I got some wires that are bad. So I'm assuming these guys were shorting out and caused a surge and tripped the EFI fuse. I'm gonna resplice those wires and everything should be good to go. So before you replace your computer or are confused about why you can't pull codes and the check engine light is not on, check that EFI fuse and try to find a source.